Number 1. 1978 Ford F-250 long bed, cab and chassis. Comes with the rear end and has a 4-speed manual transmission. Clear Pennsylvania title in hand. Great starting point for a project or parts truck. Asking just $800. Number 2. 1961 Ford F-250, powered by the original 292 V8 with 93,000 miles. Runs and drives strong. Transmission is original as well. Comes with tons of extra parts. The 4x4 isn't hooked up, but everything else is solid. I love this truck, but I just don't have the time for it right now and don't want to see it waste away. Asking $5,000 or best offer. Number 3. 1979 Ford F-250 Custom with a 351M engine and only 55,000 miles. Runs great. Currently on the road and inspected with a clean title in hand. Asking $6,500. Number 4. 1960 Ford pickup. Straight from out west. Solid with no rot. Runs and drives with an automatic transmission. Classic body lines and ready to enjoy as is or take to the next level. Asking $11,500. Number 5. 1992 Ford F-250XL 4x4. Heavy $1 500. 460 V8 engine, automatic transmission. Runs, but has a slight miss. Aluminum construction toolbox in the bed. Needs some TLC. Perfect project truck. Number 6. 1964 Chevy C30 truck. Heavy $1 800 OBO. Solid old C30. Great for parts or rebuild. Straight 6 engine, locked up. Clear title in hand. Asking $1,800 OBO. Number 7. Here we have a 1951 Dodge Pilot House pickup, a true classic project truck that comes with a clean title. Under the hood sits a 307 small block Chevy with Hooker Super Competition headers, paired with a mid-50s Chevy front axle and a Speedway disc brake conversion. The truck isn't running yet and has no working brakes, but it includes plenty of extra parts like mufflers, valve cover gaskets, brake components, and even a vintage Dodge radiator. With solid bones and a ton of included parts, this Pilot House is the perfect base for restoration or a custom hot rod build. Number 8. Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet C10 long bed, priced at $7,000. Under the hood sits a 283 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title and still wears all of its original steel. This classic runs and drives, equipped with manual steering and brakes for that authentic vintage feel. It will need some floor patching and cab support work, but overall, it's a solid starting point for anyone looking to restore or enjoy a true Chevy classic. Number 9. Up for grabs is a 1985 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL, priced at $7,400. This one is rare, with a working odometer, and it even comes with extra rims. The soft top will need replacing, but a brand new one is included with the sale. The hard top, on the other hand, is in beautiful condition, free of scratches. A timeless German classic that's ready for its next owner. Come and take a look at this elegant roadster. Number 10. Check out this 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, priced at just $49.99. This factory 4-speed classic runs and drives great, with a solid frame and less than 1,000 miles on the Cooper Cobra tires. It's equipped with an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor and aftermarket gauges for oil pressure, coolant temp, and voltage. The car was set up for autocross with a custom dash and racing seats, but the original dash and gauges are included if you want to restore it back to stock. Mufflers are off but come with the car. A strong-running Corvette with endless potential, ready for its next driver. Number 11. Up for grabs is a 1978 Cadillac Seville, priced at just $2,500. This classic luxury sedan starts right up and runs, drives, stops, and shifts just like it should. It's got a solid frame, a custom sound system, and comes with a clean title. The body does show some rust, and the seats have a few rips, plus the AC blower isn't working. But overall, it's a dependable driver with 177,000 miles. Sellers open to trades for cars from the 1950s or older, and the price is slightly negotiable. A vintage Cadillac with plenty of character, ready for its next home. Number 12. Here we have a 1973 Ford Mustang, priced at $15,000. This classic pony car is powered by the strong 351 Cleveland engine and comes well optioned from the factory. The body is solid, and the car runs as a great daily driver, making it perfect for cruising today while restoring as you go. It does need a new top, but otherwise it's a dependable and stylish ride. A clean example of the last big-body Mustang of the early muscle car era.